breakfast. Good morning everyone. Having breakfast. Healthy sweet potato with green tea. Good morning. Good morning. I'm in Philippines. Please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Hello world. Hello universe. Please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. Floor's Vlog. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Sweet potato is good for our health. It's a nutritious. Please continue support my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you all. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Please continue to support my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, watch and share. Thank you. Kain pa tayo. Sweet potato. Breakfast. Sweet potato for tea. Green tea. Green tea. Nutritious food. Purple sweet potato. Yellow sweet potato. That's it. Thank you. God bless. God bless. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. God bless.